Hi guys, welcome to Filament PHP series, and in this episode we are going to learn how to add state widgets in your resource page. Okay, so let's get started. So let me go to our previous project, and here you can see that we have added like state widgets like total users, total posts, total products in our dashboard. But what if you want to add the state widgets on your users page? For example, I want to add total number of users, and then I will count like number of users from United States and number of users from the India. So let's get add. Okay, so first of all we need to go to our terminal and we need to run the command to create a widgets. So php artisan mac filament widget, and then I will call user counter widget. Okay, and hit enter, and it is asking for which type of widget you want to create. You can also add the chart, table and all the things, but I will choose states widget. And then they are asking for default panel, so I will say yes. And then they are saying like, would you like to create this widget in resource? I will say yes. By default it's no, so that means it goes to the dashboard. But if you say yes, then the next question will be, there will be a drop down with they will display all the resource of our filament PHP project. So you can see that states, tags and users. So we are going to add on users, so hit enter, and now you can see that they have created a new class over here inside the users resource folder, widgets and user widgets they have created. Then they have written the next line is that like, make sure register the widgets in your user resource with the getWidgets method. Okay, and add it to page in the resource. Okay, so let me go here in my VS Code editor. Now let me go here inside the filament resource, and there is a users, and here you can see that they have created a new folder called widgets. Inside that they have created user counter widgets over here. Okay, so first of all I'm going to add just one state, so I will just call state call mac, that what we already did in the dashboard. So I will say total users. Okay, and then I will use user model colon count. Okay, so that means it will just count all the number of users and display it. Just save it. Let me go back over here and hit refresh over here, and it's nothing because they are not going to add. So let me go back to the terminal, and you can see that they have already written. So we need to add getWidgets method, and we need to define the this is the resource, the like this is the widgets that we created. So let me go to user resource, and at the end I'm going to create new method called getWidget. Okay, and you can see that public static function getWidgets, and it is, we need to return the array type. So just I will remove this and make it like this, and here we have created user counter widget colon class. So I have registered over here with the get widgets. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, you have to go into the documentation, and inside the resource there is a using widgets on resource page. You have to click over there, and you can create directly your widget like this way. And then they have already provided in the documentation that's get widgets method. You can just copy and paste as well. Okay, so that make sure you have to register your widgets inside the resource class. Okay, the next step is that, because if I go here and still I refresh, I don't see over here as well. Okay, so you have to do one more step to finish. So you have to go over here inside the list page, so pages, and there is a list of users, and here also you need to register. So just go here, and I will copy this method and I will paste it. Okay, and instead of customer overview, I will use user counter widget colon class, and just save it. Okay, let me go back over here and hit refresh. Now I have a properly a custom widgets over here that's called total users. So that's working perfectly fine. Now let me go here, and we need to add also for the United States and for the India as well. So let me go over here, and I'm going to just call state mac, and I will call total users from India, something like that. Okay, and I will write the query user colon and I will use, because we have added the relationship for the country table. So let me go and show you as well. So models, and inside there is a users, and you can see that we have already added the country relationship. So we can use where has over here, and there you need to define the country. Okay, and then FAQ. Okay, FN. As an argument we are going to add the q. Okay, and then $q where condition with name will be India. Right now I'm going to add the static. Okay, but you can make it like dynamic if you want. Okay, so yeah, this is the where, and at the end count. Okay, save it. Okay, and this is the done for, yeah, let me add the comma separate over here. This is the done for the India. Then let me go back over here and hit refresh. Yeah, there is a problem, unknown column uses country ID. So let me double check with that. I made a mistake over here, like after where condition I have just used the count function. So because of the formatting, just Control X and paste it outside this round bracket. Okay, then it worked. You can see that. Just save it. Let me go back over here and hit refresh. You can see that now, right now, like total users from India, that's only one. Same way I need to add for United States. So let me go back over here, add the comma, and instead of India I will say United States. Okay, save it. Same way here also I will pass the static, but you can make it dynamic if you want, but for this example I'm going to pass the static states. Okay, save it. Let me go back over here, hit refresh. You can see that now total user is 22, but that's from India 1, and that's from United States there is a 2 users. So this is very basic example, and you can change the color and all the things what I have already shown you in my previous video. So let me go to the widgets, and you can see over here you can add the description as well. Just copy that and go over here. For example, if you want to add, then you can add like this way. Hit refresh. You can see that total number of users from this year, and you can also add the color if you want, like this color method and success. Okay, save it, refresh. You can see that. So that means you can use all the elements that we have added for the dashboard widgets. You can use over here. This was very simple and basic states widgets for the resource. Okay, so you can use like this way. If you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video, guys.